Welcome to SBTA SELA. This video will cover how to access your virtual classroom, how to join your online session, and how to navigate your virtual classroom. First, what we have to do is we have to be logged in into e-learning. After we have logged in, we're gonna be presented with our dashboard. We're gonna scroll down and we have to find our virtual classroom or the classroom we are doing at the moment. Okay. In my case, MCID 6.2. To access your virtual classroom, you only click Virtual Classroom button. This will redirect you to your Microsoft Teams virtual classrooms. Our virtual classrooms are based on Microsoft Teams. In Microsoft Teams, you have a couple of different ways to navigate. First, you have to know there are channels and tabs. As a default, every virtual class will have one channel called General. As a default, our virtual class will have one channel and multiple tabs. Each and every virtual class can be customized to your needs from your trainer. If you have any questions about your virtual class, you're welcome to ask your trainer or send an email to itsupport@sbta.com.au. As default, we have one channel. We have a post tab, a files tab, a class notebook tab, assignments, grades, documents, and the whiteboard. Let's look at the post tabs. The post tabs is one of the most important ones. Why? When there's an online class running at the moment, it will show up like this. Okay. So to join your online session, you only click Join. It will pop you up with a new tab in here. You can then choose to turn on or turn off the video. You can choose to turn on or turn off the camera. You can choose your devices, which speakers or microphone you want to use. And if you click Join Now, you're joining the class. Fantastic, now we are logged on and we can enjoy the class. To log off from your virtual class, you only press Hang up. You will be asked about the quality of the code, and then you will be redirected again back to your virtual class. So this class is still running, so I can join in and out as long as the classes are running during the time periods you are scheduled with. The next important tab is Documents. In the Documents, there's a student folder, and in this student folder is everything you need to finish your assessment. The assessment tool template, for example, is in here. You can download it and save it on your desktop and start working on it. Then all the learner guides, all the PowerPoint presentations, and all the templates you need to finish your assessment itself. Now you know the basic functionality of Teams, you know how to join your online class, and you also know how to access your learner resources. If you want to know more about our virtual class, you can read the document about Teams that will explain every single functionality that is available for you. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that was informative for you.